Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Honor Pad 9 Pro and Honor MagicPad 2. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Honor Pad 9 Pro comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display, and the Honor MagicPad 2 comes with 12.3 inches OLED display. Hardware features. Honor MagicPad 2 is powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Honor Pad 9 Pro comes with MediaTek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Both two tablets come with 13 megapixel rear camera. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.